Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's garden and DIY expert. There's no shortage of options when it comes to selecting a style of outdoor furniture. But one thing we can all agree on is that nothing beats the charm of wood. There's a little bit of maintenance involved to keep it looking its best, but it's well worth the investment of time and elbow grease. Here's what you're going to need. Today we're going to reboot this chair by using a vibrant colour, but if you want to retain the wood look, you can do so by using an oil, a restorer or a varnish. Whatever approach you use, whether you go for a summery colour like this or you choose a technique which retains the wood effect, revitalising a piece of outdoor furniture is not difficult. Job done.